Long before spreadsheets and screens, bookkeeping began with simple counting. In crowded markets, traders used stones, marks, and eventually the abacus to track grain, cloth, and coins. It was fast for its time, but every total still depended on human memory and careful hands. Then came ledgers, and with them, order. Bookkeepers no longer just counted, they recorded. During the rise of double-entry bookkeeping, every transaction gained two sides, creating a system that made errors easier to spot and businesses easier to trust. Accuracy became a craft, and the bookkeeper became a guardian of the story behind the numbers. Centuries later, adding machines and calculators changed the pace. Arithmetic that once consumed hours could now be done in minutes. Totals became quicker, payroll smoother, and reports more dependable. The bookkeeper's role began to shift from manual calculation to checking, organizing, and interpreting. Computers, spreadsheets, and accounting software transformed bookkeeping again. Records that once filled shelves now lived in digital files, searchable in seconds and updated in real time. Automation reduced errors, increased speed, and opened space for deeper analysis. From abacus beads to cloud-based systems, the tools changed dramatically, but the mission stayed the same: make every number count.